It's been a while that we've been hearing about the use of titanium on the upcoming Galaxy S24 lineup. Yesterday, we got to know that Samsung might use the titanium for its all-upcoming S24 variant, but it seems to be something else now. According to known leaker Exynos, the upcoming Galaxy S24 series won't feature titanium frames as some rumors had suggested. Instead, only the Galaxy S24 Ultra model will receive the titanium upgrade, while the basic Galaxy S24 and S24 Plus will utilize aluminum alloy, Samsung's Armor Aluminum to previous Galaxy S phones. This contradicts a claim by leaker Exynos that all Galaxy S24 models would have titanium frames. Exynos had initially expressed doubts about this claim. Now seems to have received confirmation from their source. The smartphone community has been intrigued by the use of titanium side rails in Apple's iPhone 15 Pro and 15 Pro Max, although the affordable iPhone 15 and 15 Plus continue with aluminum frames. It would be reasonable to assume that Samsung might adopt a strategy for its next-generation phones. Many of us were excited at the prospect of the entry-level Galaxy S24 featuring premium material. Disagreements between leakers like this are relatively rare, making it challenging to determine who has information. Those who may be unintentionally or intentionally spreading information or outright falsehoods. Based on the information, it seems that no other sources have come forward to support Exynos' claim. On the hand, there are tipsters like Clouds who have provided more details. Unless Exynos presents evidence or another leak confirms their statement, it appears that Exynos has a case at the moment. Another option is to wait for the phone to be officially released. Fortunately, we won't have to wait for long since Samsung typically launches its Galaxy S phones at the beginning of each year. Normally, this would mean a February release. There's a rumor circulating that Samsung might aim for a January launch in 2024 in order to compete swiftly with the iPhone 15 and Google Pixel 8 by offering models. In addition to one of the three rumored Galaxy S24 models potentially featuring titanium frames, we can also expect updates such as increased RAM, either a Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 or Exynos 2400 chip depending on your chosen model and region, and improved telephoto camera with megapixels and lower magnification on the Ultra version. So, what do you guys think about the upcoming Galaxy S24 lineup? Do you really think that Samsung might use the titanium for all its models? Share your thoughts below in the comments section, and for more updates, you can check out our channel. See you in the next one. Peace out.